75 years of Nadia Adwala Cranston editing. So we have the mics. आप लोगों के पास, of course. सच में इससे बड़ा क्या होगा? Okay. ठीक है. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, so yeah, where are we getting?
Yeah, hi. Towards the left of the stage, Himesh this side. Sorry, towards the right. Firstly, congratulations to everyone on the trailer. It looks hilarious. I have two questions. One is to Sajid sir and one is to Akshay sir. Sajid sir, first question to you. यहाँ पे, right पे, corner. यहाँ पे. Firstly, congratulations to you on and the entire team on the trailer. Sajid sir, my question to you is, we have been hearing that for the first time the film might have two different versions releasing with two climaxes. That's what we have been reading. Could you tell us something on this?
I've been thinking about this for the last 30 years, and if I make a thriller, what would be the X factor? How would people leave the theatre with the villain out? So I've written a story which every theatre will have a different killer. So if you see a Gaiety, you will have one killer, and in Galaxy there will be somebody else. In PVR, in screen number 4, you will have one killer, and PVR screen number 5 there will be a different killer. And you may switch the DCP sometimes. Even 6 o'clock show would have a different killer. So every time you watch the film, you will have a different killer. Thank you. And this is first time in the world. So first time in the world this is happening.
This was narrated to us after we shot.
Yeah, this is narrated while we were shooting in the last portion. I don't think half the people know who the killer is.
So every version will have different killers, basically.
2 killers.
Okay, that's interesting. And Akshay sir, I have a question to you. Oh yeah, same. Sir, after a very long time, we are seeing a slapstick proper comedy coming our way, because there have been so many content films which are coming with you as well. You were also part of a lot of content films. So how do you view a slapstick film in today's time?
I think if I would not be mistaken, that slapstick comedy ये कोई ऐसी आसान कॉमेडी नहीं है. राणा साहब ने इतनी कॉमेडीज की हैं, रितेश ने इतनी कॉमेडी की है, श्रेयस, अभिषेक, they can vouch for it. They have been part of so many other comedies franchise. But let me tell you, slapstick comedy is very difficult. And this comedy, what we all have done, is slapsticks mixed with action comedy. It is physical comedy. I'm a huge fan of Charlie Chaplin. Huge fan. Trust me, I'm telling you. I even have his photograph in my wallet. And if you want to see it, I can show it to you. But I'm a huge fan of Charlie Chaplin because the way he does comedy without saying a single word, with so much of physicalness. So I think I said that kind of comedy, I am a huge fan of it. So this film has that kind of thing. And unfortunately, this kind of comedy doesn't get that क्या कहते हैं उसका जो है ना कदर नहीं मिलती उसकी, acclaim नहीं मिलता उसको. It is award तो भूल जा बेटे, award but it is very, very difficult to make people laugh when it comes to physical comedy and when it comes to slapstick comedy.
I would just like to add.
फोटोग्राफ देखनी है?
I like to add one thing कि आपने जब बोला
There's my wallet. है wallet. Sorry.
I just like to add one thing. जब आपने बोला कि content film है और फिर comedies है, ये सोचना बहुत गलत होता है कि comedies में content नहीं होता. तो I would expect
Hello. In the center. Yeah. In the center.
ये
पीछे लोग कैमरा में ज़्यादा ऊपर
Can
हाथ नहीं
I have the wallet, please?
Hi.
Can I have the wallet? Please.
This is Akash Bhatnagar from the Right Angle Hindustan Times. I have two questions. Firstly, my question goes to Nana sir. Sir, you have been a part of so many amazing franchises also.
बोला मुझे भी नहीं आता
सर आपने इतनी सारी फ्रेंचाइज उसके लाइक वेलकम हो गई देन व्हाट इज दिस अबाउट मतलब हाउसफुल 5 में ऐसा क्या अपील हुआ और आपको कैसे कन्विंस किया कि आप इस फिल्म का पार्ट
देखो डायरेक्टर कौन है उस पर निर्भर करता है और दूसरी बात है पैसे तो मैं दोनों से खुश था और जो रोल था वो बेहतरीन था और मैं सच कहता हूँ कि इतने साल 12 साल तूने क्यों नहीं फिल्म डायरेक्ट की मेरे समझ में नहीं आता इसके बाद तो लगातार कर 12 साल उसके बाद रिटायर्ड हो जा लेकिन वो देख करते हुए हमको तो कुछ करना नहीं है इन लोगों ने वो जिस तरह से वो स्लैपस्टिक किए हैं मुझे तो सीरियसली करना था और वो जैसे करना था मैंने कर दिया अब देख लो आपको कैसा लगता है
My second question goes to Akshay sir. Sir, the excitement for the film is on a high, but it also comes at the heels of when another film of yours has got into some trouble with Paresh sir's exit in Hera Fairy 3. So I wanted to ask you, like, the fans have been so disappointed and they have said so many things, including calling Paresh sir foolish for taking this step of leaving this franchise. What do you have to say so as to calm
Okay,
this?
well, let me first tell you one thing. What's your name, travel now?
Akash Bhatnagar.
आकाश जी, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको कहूँगा कि using this kind of word from one of my co-star, like a foolish word or something, I would not appreciate it. I would say that that's not right. He's been with me. I've worked with him since last 30 साल से 32 साल से मैं उनके साथ काम करते हैं. We are very good friends. He's a great actor. I really admire him. And जो भी कुछ है, I don't think so this is a place where I'm going to talk about it because whatever has to happen, it's a very serious matter. It is a matter which is going to be handled by the court and things like that. So I don't think I'm going to speak about it here.
Hi Ritesh, Anita here. Straight.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Firstly, a huge congratulations. The trailer is amazing.
Thank you so much.
But Ritesh, you have been the soul of Houseful franchise from the start. What do you think the audiences? Why do you think the audiences keep coming back to this film even after 5 films? What is that one thing that brings back the audiences?
I think Abhishek Bachchan. We did part 3, people loved it. Part 4, we missed him, and he's back here with part 5. But I just feel that when we did Houseful, we never thought it would be a franchise. But I think Sajid Vendarola came up with a brilliant script, and then it became part 2, and then part 3. Sajid Khan directed that one, and we are here with part 5. I think the love from the audience has been immense for this franchise, and that's the reason we are back. Hopefully, people watch this film with as much love they have watched the previous parts, and hopefully we come back with part 6 again.
Thank you. So, I have one question for you. This is your debut, big debut, and it's a big moment for you. Tell us what was your first day on set was, how was it, and who made you laugh the loudest on the sets?
I think I'm truly grateful and very privileged to be sharing a screen space with all the stalwarts, and it's an amazing opportunity, and I feel truly blessed. And from the day one, I felt like we are on a picnic. Everybody is so warm, welcoming. Not even for a moment I felt like that this is my first big, film and opportunity. I'm so grateful to everyone who made me feel like, I'm just being part of this, and so respectful. So much to learn from, and I'm so blessed and grateful to be here. I'm so overwhelmed, and I definitely want to take the opportunity to just say thank you to my god sister Varda. Because of her, and of course because of Sajid sir, and everybody. I get to share the screen space with everybody I would have ever imagined to start with.
And I'd just like to add, it did not feel like it was her first time.
Yes, I have worked a bit before, but yes, sharing a big screen that with
Amazing. Seriously, we have lunch now.
no. Thank you.
Hello. Yeah, hi. Here, so center. This is Aina from Instant Bollywood. I have a question to all of y'all. That y'all have reached the fifth franchise, and I feel like it's sort of very difficult for one film to successfully reach the fifth sequel of it, to sort of have a new flavor, same characters, and at the same time keeping the core of Houseful the same. Is it challenging for you guys to sort of bring out a new story and bring out a new laugh every single time?
It's nice. I've written the last four part also, and I have some great friends and journalists like Komal is here. He's always been gracious enough. Whenever I deserved half star, he gave me one. So this is the fifth. I think he gives me 1 star per think that this will be a 5-star film. And all the journalists have been very kind. The audience has been very nice. To reach 5 first time in India, it's not an easy task. We didn't start that 15 years back. None of us knew that we were going to reach this milestone of being the first Indian film to touch 5. 5 is only because all the 4 succeeded. So I hope and pray that the audience loves it. My team, my friends, all the journalists loves it, and we hope that we are ready for number 6. Thank you.
Actually, sir, any prank?
One sec. I just like to add that I don't think there's any better way to celebrate 75 years of Nadia Rana Grandson next year. Congratulations.
Lastly, Akshay sir, this was such a fun ensemble cast. Any prank that went behind?
All the pranks, trust me, was played by Jackie sir.
दादा प्रैंक के बारे में बताओ।
ये सबसे बड़ा प्रैंक है। आवाज इतने बड़े बड़े जोकर है। सबसे बड़ा जिसने अभी बोला सफेद सूट में, उसके सामने कौन बोल सकता है कुछ? एक नंबर का बदमाश है। खड़े खड़े शर्ट कब निकाल देता मालूम नहीं पड़ता। किया है तूने बहुत बार। तो प्रैंक ने इन लोग को देखने से मजा लिया, पूरा गेम में हो गया। मनसूख खानी ने संभाला, बाकी का पूरा गैंग को अपना ये पुराना सब है। कोई नया है, बहुत ज्यादा ही नया है मेरे बाजू में, आजू बाजू में बहुत खूबसूरत है। गोली चाचा मेरे साथ है, मेरा सीनियर, जिसकी मैं बहुत इज्जत करता हूँ, बहुत प्यार करता हूँ। बाकी जिसके बारे में बोलो सब अपने लोग ये बोलो, आप लोग अपने खाली लेवल अलग अलग लगे सबके ऊपर एक लेवल है, बाकी वही छे सुबह मालूम पड़ता है। और माय लव यू। हाँ बाबा, छोटी बच्ची है क्या रे? हाँ बाबा, हाँ माँ मेरे बाप। अच्छा मारे गए कोई शक ही नहीं। बिल्कुल बहुत मजा आया। मेरा भिड़ू आई नहीं आया, संजू बाबा आया नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम, मगर वो अपने सामने है, ये शुड टेक इट। उनका शूटिंग कहीं चल रहा है, मगर हम लोग का जोड़ी पिक्चर के अंदर है, और बहुत हम लोग ने एक दूसरे को बहुत पुरानी बातें भी की, नहीं भी की, मजे लिया। तुम लोग भी लो मेरी जान, कुछ ज़्यादा बोलवाना, पकावाने बड़े बड़े बोलने वाले, जैसा कि ये बोल बाबा बोल सफेद सूट। और राइटर बाबा, मेरा राइटर है, बस क्या एक बार तो थोड़ा complete without Farhad in Houseful. Thank you to our distributor. It's very difficult to release this film because उनकी लाइफ बर्बाद होने वाली। Which theater will have which climax? Pen Murudhar, संजय जी आप भी आ जाइए। Very difficult. The most he has to do it in Singapore. He has to do it in America. He has to do it in UK, where laws are different. So every theater will have different killers. So वहाँ के भी सेंसर को पता नहीं था। Our censor also took 1 month to understand how to censor it. And my company's first CEO come. it's not easy to handle so many actors and to keep them happy. It's like a great marriage which was on the ship. एक एक के ध्यान रखना was not easy, and the CEO was beautifully handling everybody. Yeah, everybody is happy and having a smile is because of all of them. I thankfully, and all the people who worked behind. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, right in the center, Hesha this side from Varinder Jamdasti. First of all the very best for Houseful 5. The trailer looks extremely nice. But my question is for Jackie sir, for you. आपका स्पिन ऑफ बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा on Tigers dialogue and even Tigers association with Sajid sir goes a very long way. मुझे आपसे जानना है क्या उनका बिहेवियर आपके साथ अलग होता है और उनका बिहेवियर टाइगर के साथ अलग था when you all work together? What is it that you know?
किसका बिहेवियर ब्रो?
साजिद सर आपके साथ
साजिद का किधर दिखते हम लोग को? वो पर्दे के पीछे. So it's really, I mean, what he's looking after him. He's looking after me the way he does. But basically दिखता नहीं बस. क्या रे? कोई अलग है? अलग है? नहीं ना, वैसे ही बात करते हैं ना. अगर आप उसके जब भी मैं फोन करता हूँ दादा एक बहुत अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट लिखे टाइगर के लिए तो सामने से आवाज आती है उसको छोड़ मेरे बारे में सोच.
That's what we wanted to know as well.
Thank you.
Also Chitrangada, hi. I have a question for you as well. We spoke just recently and I told you I'm so happy to see you do so much work yet again, and it's good to see you in a theatrical release as well. Talk to me a little bit about this association and working with such a massive ensemble cast. How's that been for you?
Well, this is the first time doing comedy. This is the first attempt in that to be part of something which is so huge, you know. Houseful is known, I mean, it's one of the biggest franchise, and then Sajid, and it's one of the biggest producers and biggest star cast, you know. Very overwhelming, and honestly, जहाँ जो मेरे साथ बैठे हैं सब like stalwarts of comedy, I was so nervous. I can't tell you मैंने कितनी बार कहा कि I'm so nervous, but I just want to thank actually Tarun, my director, who's cast me in this. You know, he thought of me for the part, and everybody. Yeah, it's just I was so nervous. I can't tell you, but it's come through. I think अच्छा हुआ है. That's what I've heard from Sajid. I've not seen the film, but yeah, really looking forward. Very nervous. But we love you, Akshay
on your left, यहाँ पे पूरी टीम को. हाँ जी, यहाँ पे सर, अभिषेक सर, अक्षय भाई. Abhishek sir, मेरा सवाल पहले सबसे पहले congratulations to the entire team of Houseful 5. This looks hilarious. Expectations से ज़्यादा निकला है. And Abhishek sir, मेरा आपसे सवाल है. I think it's a.
तूने expectation से कम क्यों रखे थे?
सर बाद में बताएंगे. Okay, Abhishek sir, मेरा आपसे सवाल है. It looks like a homecoming moment for you because Houseful franchise में आप फिर से enter करते हैं. You're working with Tarun Manchkani again after Dostana. Tell us about that and comedy, क्योंकि आपने जब comedy किया we enjoyed it a lot. Please tell us about your experience. Houseful, मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें मिल के Houseful आपके साथ आ रही हैं. Comedy में re-entry, तरुण के साथ वापस से काम कर रहे हैं. Third part के बाद आप आ रहे हैं. जी.
जी बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. First of all, to Sajid, congratulations on 75 years. It's truly momentous. I don't know many studios that have made it to 75. And I think reaching 75 is a milestone because it's a testimony of his love that he has towards our industry. Coming to Tarun is family. Tarun and I have known each other since we were 16. And I had the pleasure of being in his first film, Dostana. Working with him is always wonderful. It becomes a holiday for me because you know that Tarun is going to take care of everything. And I'm just so happy that he's back to working. I think he's an amazing talent. And especially in a genre like this, I don't think there's anybody better than him. And I mean this with humility and respect to all the other makers. And I really hope that he continues to work a lot more frequently. Coming back to Houseful, it's, yeah, like you said, it's homecoming. I mean, all of these guys are my friends. And it feels so nice to be able to go on a set which is happy, which is loving, which is collaborative, and it was just a sheer pleasure. I'm very thankful for all of them, for their love and for giving me this opportunity.
Sajid sir, मेरा सवाल आपसे भी है. Sajid sir, अक्षय भाई ने कई बार ऐसा कहा है कि मल्टी स्टार जब बोलते हैं कि दो लोग साथ में काम नहीं कर सकते या कुछ ऐसे हैं जो मेरे साथ भी मतलब दो लोग मैं करना चाहता हूँ लेकिन मिलता नहीं. यहाँ पे आप एक फ्रेंचाइज को 15 साल से चला रहे हैं और इतने सारे टैलेंट्स हम एक साथ देख रहे हैं. ये मैनेज करना इजी नहीं होता जब इतने बड़े बड़े स्टार्स हो. टेल अस अबाउट दैट बिकॉज़ कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा टीम एफर्ट भी लगता है, थोड़ा स्ट्रेस भी होता है, ईगो भी आता है, बहुत कुछ होता है. टेल अस अबाउट.
Anyway, I feel 2 जन लाना बहुत मुश्किल है, पर अगर 2 से ज़्यादा है तो फिर मुश्किल है. नहीं हो तो then there is no problem. And I think time will change. People are understanding. People want more in this theatre. They want these kind of things to happen. And we've been doing this. I've been lucky. My grandfather started in 1950. First film released in 1955, Inspector. And from then we made multi-starrer like lots of films, Yarana, Parvarish, Shanti Safai, Rampur Ka, Lakshman, Bhaiyo To Aisa. All those films which family made, they were all multi-starrers, and I think these time will come back. What Akshay sir is saying, absolutely right, but things are changing now. We can see the impact this film has all over the world, and I think this will be a good precedent for the future.
Thank you.
Hi guys, Nawaz Kochra here, this side. Yeah. So firstly, congratulations to the trailer. It's looking quite spectacular. Tarun sir, my question is for you. So directing a film after 12 years, taking a franchise which is so celebrated and bringing a story that is so loaded with laughter. Were you nervous firstly? Secondly, being the captain of this cruise, what were the challenges overall in general? Also because the franchise has so much of expectations that come with it.
I wasn't nervous after 12 years also because I don't put it too much into my head that this is what I have to accomplish or not accomplish. We're here to make a film and have fun with it, and that's it. And as far as handling everyone is a piece of cake except for Chunky. Always late, never wore his moustache. Other than that, everything was fun. We had a great time. The ship was the best one to shoot on. Even though it was rocking, we had a storm and we had all of those problems. We kept shooting through it all, so we had a blast. And I didn't feel the pressure of having this cast for even one day at all.
Hello everybody. This question is for my friend Goli. Goli! This way, here, right here, Bharti. Simple question to you, Goli. Who killed you? Who killed Ranjit?
If I knew that, I would let him kill. The whole of my life I've been killing, And in this picture I was thinking that most of the people say Ranjit is a killer. But I was not a killer.
Hello, on your right. Hi, this is Diksha from Filmy Gyan. So my question is to Jacqueline. Jacqueline, the cast is huge. Hi. The cast is huge. Who is the biggest prankster on set? Who pranked you the most?
I think
Biggest prankster.
Come on, Jacqueline, the man in the white suit.
मेरे साथ प्रैंक किया था, मैं मराठी में बात कर रहा था. इससे बड़ा प्रैंक मैं कर नहीं सकता. तू कशी आहेस? सांग बघू. तू कशी आहेस? यांच्याबरोबर मराठीत बोलत होतो मी सगळ्यांशी. त्यांना बोलता येत नाही, हिंदी सुद्धा नीट येत नाही. गंमत असायची. सगळे इतके छान होते आणि सगळ्यात इन्सिक्युरिटी नाहीये. इनसिक्योरिटी होती है ना, साजिद ने कि 2 होते हैं तो इनसिक्योरिटी. अभी 18 लोग हैं तो वो इनसिक्योरिटी बढ़ गई ना हमारी, इसमें थोड़ी. तो इनसिक्योरिटी बहुत कम थी हमारी. सभी ने मिलजुल के काम किया है. कभी ये बड़ा या ये छोटा ऐसे कोई बात थी नहीं. और वो संभालने वाला सबसे बड़ी बात है तरुण की. अक्षय हो या और कोई हो, अगर कोई ज्यादा करता है तो नहीं भाई ये नहीं चाहिए, ये बोलने की औकात है उसे. सबको पकड़ के लगाम बराबर उसने खींचे हुए थे सबके. तो उसकी वजह से बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बन गई. वो लगता है कि नहीं ये सीन सबका है, एक का नहीं. एक कोई ऐसे बड़ा होता है ऐसी बात नहीं. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.
हाउसफुल 5 का तकरीबन क्या बजट होगा एंड आपसे सबसे ज्यादा फीस किसने वसूली, सबसे ज्यादा पैसे
वसूल की? अच्छा बेटा, सुबह आते हैं आईटी, ऐसे दोपहर को नहीं आता है। और वसूली किसी ने नहीं की, सबने अपनी अपनी I feel everybody takes the price they deserve, not a rupee more, not a rupee less.
वसूली गोलमाल में है भाई, ये हाउसफुल है।
लेकिन तू है, तू घर से एक सवाल लेके आया।
लव यू रितेश दादा। पूछ
हेलो अरुण। अरुण
अक्षय जी बताइए तकरीबन हाउसफुल 5 का बजट होगा, कितने पैसे लिए आपने? क्योंकि यहाँ पे रेड 2 के जो सबसे वापस दे
हाँ पूछो।
तकरीबन कितने पैसे लिए होंगे आपने साजिद जी से हाउसफुल 5 के?
अगर मैंने पैसे लिए होंगे तो मैं तुझे क्यों बताऊं? मैंने पैसे लिए, बहुत अच्छे खासे लिए, फिल्म बनी, बहुत अच्छे खासे बजट में बनी, बहुत मजा आया। आज खुशी का दिन है, तुम्हें अपना रेट डालना छोड़ना। चलो आगे नेक्स्ट।
All right, we'll take one last question, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah?
Hi, this is Alice Peter from Amarazzi. My question is for you. You've come back after a long hiatus and you selected roles that have been very different from the other. With an audience this critical, they've showered a lot of love and it's pre-bombed response. How does it feel to not only receive this kind of response but also the love that you're receiving for exploring?
When I think of coming back, it feels like a second coming. I guess it's in my case you can argue it's a third, but to be received and met with love, respect from my colleagues, curiosity and appreciation is something I'm extremely grateful for. To make a comeback after a period of 12 years is not something you can really plan. I just prepared for it. All I knew is this is what I know what to do. I missed being on set. I missed part of telling stories. I missed, the connection that takes place between the people you work with on a very human level, and that is very special and very exclusive to this profession. And finally, for me, this will be my 4th release in just over a year, and to have it with Houseful 5, the greatest comedy franchise, the most successful comedy franchise in Hindi film history, which brings everyone together through joy, through love, through madness. For me, it just feels like a celebration of this process, or this comeback, or however you want to phrase it. So, having said that, I'm just extremely grateful to all those who have believed in me, who thought I had a few rounds left, who given me an opportunity to work with, this kind of talent, and especially to Sajid. It's the second time we're working together, and I felt very much at home. And he's a true brother and well-wisher, and extremely grateful. And congratulations to you, your company, and 75 years, and to everything that you do. And wish you continued success. Lots of love, brother.
Rahul sir, I'll come to you. I'll come to you. Yeah, I'm complete कर लेते हैं. जी.
Congratulations. मैं उपमा हूँ हमारे टाइम से। मुबारकबाद आप सब लोगों को। ट्रेलर बहुत मजेदार है
और मेरी दिली शुभकामनाएं है कि फिल्म बहुत अच्छा करे, क्योंकि ये हमारे समय की, हमारी इंडस्ट्री के लिए ज़रूरत भी है। आप सब अग्री करेंगे कि कहीं ना कहीं जो हमारा बॉलीवुड है वो उस तरह से उतना परफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रहा है जो हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं या जो पहले किया करता था। अक्षय, आप भी प्रोड्यूसर हैं, साजिद आप हैं, अभिषेक, रितेश, आप लोग भी प्रोड्यूसर हैं। कहाँ आपको लगता है कि कहीं हमसे चूक हो रही है किसी मायने में, कुछ कोर्स करेक्शन की जरूरत है? आपसे पूछा, अच्छा आपसे पूछा।
We have to evolve and grow every time. And I've been here last 37 years. और हर 5-6 साल में ये feeling आती है कि it's going to shut down. So this shutdown gives you a feeling of always working, and this is how we've done 100 years of film industry, and 75 years we've been part of it. And we've been only hearing कि अब ये last 7 साल है, अब creative content खत्म हो गया है, अब. So I think so. This helps us to grow more further. जितना we hear this statement कि अब content खत्म हो गया. And सबसे easiest, that's why I realized कि सबसे best है कि हाउसफुल का बोर्ड ही बाहर लगा दो. So that is why हाउसफुल came in. So everywhere जहाँ लगी होगी, आप एक चीज तो पक्का है, हाउसफुल का पोस्टर तो लगाओ. जरूर स्कोप की तो जरूरत है, इसलिए सर्वाइविंग एवरी डे, चाहे आम जिंदगी हो कोई दूसरा हो, वी हैव टू वर्क एवरी डे, एंड एवरी डे वोंट बी अ विक्ट्री, बट वी हैव टू फाइट एवरी डे फेस यू ऑल आस्किंग अस कि क्या हो गया आपकी इंडस्ट्री को. वी बीन डूइंग इट लास्ट 75 years, and the next 75 years we'll be doing that. We'll be asking and replying to all of you all कि why we are not doing well, but ये चलती रहेगी और चलती रहेगी.
Hi guys, hi. I'm right here. First of all, congratulations to each one of you. The trailer was really good. I am Kavisha from Bollywood Helpline. Here's my question is to you. आपकी अभी एक हॉरर कॉमेडी रिलीज हुई है कपकपी. So after that हाउसफुल 5 का आना, do you think इन दोनों मूवीज में ऑडियंस कहीं ना कहीं कंपैरिजन करेगी कि किसकी कॉमेडी ज्यादा रही है, किस मूवी ने ज्यादा हंसाया है? व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
Yes, साजिद भाई, I'm scared. बट नहीं, ये तो बात होगी ना, सिंपल सी बात है. दो अलग अलग फिल्में, अलग अलग टेक्निकली जॉनर कहिए, तो कंपैरिजन तो होगा ही, और कोई एक चलेगी एक नहीं चलेगी, कभी कभी दोनों चलेगी. सो आई थिंक दिस इज पार्ट एंड पार्सल, लाइक साजिद भाई जस्ट मेंशन कि इतने सालों से ये चलता है, आगे भी चलता रहेगा. एंड दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट बीइंग इन द इंडस्ट्री, दैट यू कीप ट्राइंग. Certain things work, certain things that probably you're not even expecting end up working, you know. So I feel I'm very happy and blessed to be still here, working with the best of talent that we have in the industry today, and being a part of the biggest comedy franchise, Houseful 5. मैं भी 12 साल बाद कर रहा हूँ Houseful. So, but I'm just very happy and glad to be a part of this. So yeah, that's how it is.
All right, it's time to wrap this up. One last question before we end. Ji, where is it?
Hi Nargis, Anita here from India. On your left. It's been a while since we saw you in a full-blown Bollywood entity now. How was it coming back to this madhouse, Houseful 5? You know, it's been a long time since we saw you.
It's on. It's just so much emotion inside, so much excitement. It's kind of funny how this happened to me. It actually happened here in an elevator, because I met Sajid sir after watching a movie, and I said, hey, I miss you. We should work together again. And then he called me and he's like, hey, Houseful 5. I said, this is amazing.